you some stuffed paper bags, and each one has a little ephemera kit in the front and a blank journal in the pocket, and it's all been decorated with like traditional Christmas colours. So these will all be for sale in my shop, and the link for that will be below. So I'm going to show you real quick because it won't take long. So we have this one here. Like I said, it's an altered paper bag. A lot of what I've used is from ARTYmaze, and I will link ARTYmaze below. Well, she's always linked below, but you'll find her down below. There's lots of things linked down there. So I've used this paper from one of her Christmas kits to back here, and then I'd used another one in the background here, but you can barely see it now because I've added lace, some kind of Hessian ribbon, and then this ball, which is all the balls on the front are wired, so no doubt when these get shipped they will flatten down, but all you've got to do is pop them out just like that and they will reshape so easily. So that's that. Inside you've got a large tag which has been coffee dyed and I'm right out of frame here, which has been coffee dyed, stamped and stenciled. There's an envelope here, and in the envelope is just an index card so you can do some journaling, and that goes in there. We have this Christmas tag, again that's from ARTYmaze. I think it's I'll see if I've still got them up on my computer. No, I've taken them all down. It was Christmas cheer, cardinal rose and old Christmas. That was the kits that I used, and I kind of varied them all throughout each altered envelope. So these two tags as well, and you've got gold and red ribbons and eyelash trim and everything else. So we have that. There is a postcard here, again that's from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and a journal card. They've all been backed onto coffee or tea dyed paper. That fits in there. Another journal card there with the tab. Been asked lately about this tab. It's a Stampin' Up punch which is retired now, so you can't get hold of it unless someone is selling their own one on like a selling site or eBay or something like that. So the journal. Again, the journal, like I said, it's blank inside, but I've used a paper bag as a cover, so I've just added some ribbon. This has all just been Mod Podged on, so basically the journal is there for you to decorate how you like and add these pieces to it if you wish. So this is from the old Christmas kit from ARTYmaze. Flip through. There's, oh goodness, I can't remember how many pages in each one, but there's a good few pages for you to add all your Christmas memories into. I love this page. Right, so I've just, the reason I was silent was I was counting this half, just to, so I can tell you how many pages. So let me do it. I'm terrible for doing the maths on things. 96 pages front and back in each journal. There we have it, 96 pages. So that just slips straight on there. And it's kind of got like a rustic feel to it as well. But I'd certainly do like the traditional Christmas colours. So there's that one, and then there's this one. It's got the gold bowl on here, and it's got lace and the like burlap ribbon. Again, the bow is wired at the edges, so you can puff it back up when you get it. So 2 tags, checking I'm in frame, a journal card, a postcard, another journal card here and here, 2 stamped tags, large tag, an envelope with an index card inside, and this large tag here, so that all just pops in. There we go, and the back is just like that, and the journal, just do a quick flip of this one. Again, it's been made from the paper bag. Same amount of pages in this one. What was it I said? 90, what was it? 90, oh goodness, I can't even read my own scribble now. I'll do a proper count afterwards. This one is using the Cardinal Rose Christmas kit. Paper bag. So, you know, the possibility is endless with what you can do with these journals. Just put your own mark on them. So that's that one, and I will quickly show you this one. The 2 tags, 2 journal cards. Like I said, they've all been sewn onto tea or coffee dyed paper. Another journal card, these 2 tags, the postcard, the tag, the envelope. I love this one, I love the baubles, and the index card inside there, the large tag. That is the paper on the background, and this is the journal. This one is called Christmas Cheer. Oops, I've squished a page up. Fingers don't seem to want to work. So like I said, these will all be listed in my shop. ARTYmaze will be linked below. I have got tons of things that are linked below if you want to go over and check some of the other ladies out for all sorts of ideas. I have got my playlists below as well. If you're looking to make ephemera or make a journal, there is a Let's Make playlist and a journal playlist, and that shows you various ways to construct some journals, obviously my way. So yeah, lots of interesting things below, and I want to thank you all for commenting, watching my videos, commenting, leaving me nice comments, because these videos all get shared on groups as well, and I know people comment on the groups, even though they've watched the videos, they'll comment on there, because we can all watch the videos via Facebook without having to actually go right onto YouTube. So get comments over there as well. So there we have it. Oh goodness, I didn't put this one back in there. Don't want to get them all muddled up. Oh, I haven't put the ribbon on. There we go. So these would be great as a gift as well, maybe for someone, because they are obviously quite simple and not very hard to work with. So there we have it. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.